Come on, girls. That's what, yeah! I can't do it. Morning, guys. Yeah.
God, it's...
Oh, hey. It's,
Oh, I just smelled a bit of ganja then. Did you catch her?
I did catch her.
Oh, okay, still.
This morning, we are not fresh.
No.
Someone has been throwing up all morning. But yeah, it was a good night. We had a fun time, and now we all want to eternally die. But are we going to? No. Because today is going to be a new fresh day. We are going, and we're just going to enjoy ourselves. So anyway, see you later.
I think it's a solid vibe. Most people would like dead in like a few minutes.
Because we're British.
I've got loads of bits in the bottom of my pee.
What a fun time.
So, okay, we are going to get back on our bikes now. The rain has stopped a little bit. Also, if you can see lots of damage here, it's because I dropped my phone and it's completely smashed on the camera, which is brilliant. But we're gonna go. Where are we going? Gucci. Oh, Gucci. We're gonna. Yes. Sunlight in the morning. And it's kind of trickling now.
It's a bit terrifying because you get to a junction and you have trams, you have cars, and you have
Bikes and motorbikes. Oh my gosh, literally. And the fast lane is on the left. So we're going to go to the Banksy Museum, and I'm really excited about that. So I'll film some more footage in there. I wish I could film while we're riding the bikes, but a bit hot, a little bit. But we will see you in a bit.
You feel a bit better?
have some food, you'll be fine.
Look at that beast right there.
Yes,
beast
go on,
beast.
girl.
Love that.
Hey, Belle. Hi guys, so we're a bit sodden, but we are going into the Banksy Museum and I'm really excited. I like his hoodie, I think I want.
Yeah mate, you should so get him. He's got a hoodie with like a Banksy painting on. Yeah. We've just cycled and we parked our bikes against railings. I'm a bit worried that they're going to get towed, but should be fine. Look at all the pink.
It looks so sick.
Oh, it matches your whole pink aesthetic. Mary's dressed for the occasion. But we'll
Kawaii.
show them outside.
Okay, see you later.
Baby.
Bye.
Yeah. So we're queuing to get tickets, and I love this little pink aesthetic that's going on over here.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, you know. Mary's whole makeup look today is inspired by Banksy, but we're excited to go in. We need to get some tics. Woo!
And the truth is that, you know, I'm Banksy.
Oh, Mary's Banksy. It's really cool. Is this where? I can't remember what this is called, but there's the big museum that I'm not going to talk about. But you know, a bit cool, a bit cute. But yeah, we're excited to go in. Oh, get me on camera! Let's look at Emilio's jacket because he put all these little buttons on himself. Yes, slay for days. Oh, you look cute in this light.
My hair's gone a bit fluffy.
No, it's cute, it's cute.
€11 for student. Have you got a student card?
Yeah. I know.
It's very, what's the brand?
So we've just got out of the Banksy Museum and it was really good, but as you can see the weather has taken a turn for the worst. And it's just not ideal because we've got our bikes chained up over there and we don't want to cycle in the rain.
Just stopped in this little park. What's the park called, Kieran?
Rondell Park.
Rondell.
Wow.
There's some pictures.
Well, I look good.
I made it like a dry rat. Oh god, the hair's not right today.
I'm going to do...
I think all of our hair's a bit off.
All of our hips minus spotlight all the time.
Yeah. Let's have a...
You know that little white flag?
All my friends at school. Best friend.
That's actually really cute.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I really wish I could flip the camera. Anyway, so hi guys. We're now walking into town. We're gonna go for some dinner.
Holding the camera. So
I know, he's always front and centre.
Fucking selfish.
Where's the way?
It's all very dirt around here.
Can we say that?
You have to hold it straight.
Sorry.
Yeah, for God's sake.
It's quite, you know.
Dinner time. What have you got?
I've got a beef stroganoff. Very excited.
This salmon is so bloody big. I've never had a piece of salmon that big in my life.
Hey, so it's the evening now, and we are just walking through the red light district.
Yeah.
We can't show too much because we don't want to be
ruin the
demonetized.
Don't even joke about it. I get 10k a video.
Me. But yeah, let's just have a live Warner show. Let's go, guys.
Hey! We always say hey every time we introduce it, and there's no need to. But we've come out of the Anne Frank house, which was something else. And we are in a bar now.
Me and Kieran did vlog earlier a little bit.
Okay. You've seen them since then. It's quite cool, you know. Got our body in coats, and let's see where this is. Mary's doing ballet. Yes. Kieran! Dab!
Wow. Ellie, can you thread eyebrows?
Fly thread eyebrows.
Yeah.
We're back in the strobe. We're back in the hostel.
Hey.
Oh my god! Look at that front camera shit.
That front camera.
Hey.
It's 2 a.m. and we need to get up really early tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a homeless person in the hostel with me.
She's quiet. Doesn't matter.
So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Love you. Bye. Morning. So we had a bit of a slow start this morning, but well, we didn't. We were up at out by like 10, but we've been looking around. We went to like the designer high street for the first couple of hours this morning, and obviously I think they're a bit funny about filming, so I wouldn't have filmed in there. But we've come for a quick pit stop. We're having some bagels at a bagel store. Now, what's everybody got? This one, I've got like a tuna melt bagel. Amelia's got
Pastrami.
pastrami
I've got hummus.
and sun-dried tomato. And Mary's
A water.
Mary's gone for a muffin. So yeah, we're gonna. I feel like this vlog is gonna be a bit disjointed, but we're gonna keep going because I promised myself that we'd actually do it. Oh, he's going in. Are you going in? So we're just walking through and having a look at some little bits and bobs that we can buy. Yeah. So we've just been into this cheese shop. What's it called?
Henry Willig Cheese and More.
And we have bought some cheese. I bought some cheese for my dad, but Kieran spotted that $1.95 gingerbread, and it's so good.
It comes with like 4 big biscuits, and we're just gonna eat them all day.
No, Amelia's gone in to get some. It's really good. I'm going to show you, in fact. Let's take you on a tour of the cheese place. Yes.
I love that gingerbread.
Did you buy some?
Yes.
That's the packaging. It comes with like
I don't mind popping them in there.
4
if you want,
pieces.
because I've got some bits from there as well.
bad.
Oh my god, you got
Oh, $1.95.
value for money.
Sure.
Did you only get 3?
No, I got 4.
Oh.
No, I got 4 too.
put this in, guys. Yum, 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 yum. So where are we going now, guys?
Souvenirs.
Souvenirs?
Oh yeah, we need to get some souvenirs. American candy.
Or is this American?
We're gonna get so distracted.
Huh?
Does she want a tote bag as well?
So we found some kimonos. Let me see her. Do a 12.
Ready?
Work it, girl. Give a 12.
Hi.
So we are back in the hostel now.
No, don't do that. My bum was out. wait, was I smoking? You can't show them.
You just dropped yourself in it now.
Oh no, I was like.
So we've cut. Shall I put the light on? Jesus. No, let's turn her off. We're just chilling. Emilio's
So many fucking photos on my phone, man.
Emilio's gonna go and get me and Kieran a cup of tea, isn't he? Your bum looks good. Boots.
Half my pants out, I just realised. I feel like
Sexy.
I'm a 15-year-old boy.
Sexy. Oh, but we've bought some really cool like Dutch food from the supermarket. Basically, we picked up everything that we didn't know what it was and thought this would be really funny to put into a video. So look out for that one on my channel coming soon. And I hate myself. And what's the time, guys? It's pretty late, isn't it?
It's 20 past 12.
20 past 12, and we have to get up in less than 4 hours, because we are flying home tomorrow morning, and we don't want to.
I want to say that.
But I'm gonna film a little bit of the airport, and then that's the end of the vlog. But yeah, good night for now.
Bye, Tamin.
No one's gonna understand what we're talking about.
You've got K-pop fans on there, you do.
I don't know if I do, but we'll see.
Everyone's fine.
Oh, sharing is caring. Night. Oh my god. So it's 5:30 in the morning here in the Netherlands, and we're on our way to the airport. We're really tired. We were packing last night. Oh. We were packing last night, and we also stayed up till like 1 o'clock filming this really funny video about like Amsterdam food and shit. I can't actually speak, so I'm probably chatting absolute crap right now, but we're really tired. So here I am with a homeless man. How are you feeling this morning?
I feel amazing.
Yeah, absolutely raring to go. Okay, let's move on. Guys, how are we feeling this morning? You feeling kawaii? Kawaii. Wrapped. I'm teasing.
I literally can't wash my hair in about 4 days.
You're disgusting.
When was the last time we showered?
Me? Not yesterday. But
Not last month, the month before. Yes. Don't know why I'm excited we're leaving.
do you have one like? Does the
8 days.
does when you get there?
8 days.
Does it take a day to get over the jet lag? Because I was thinking about this when I watched
Cassie is
the
not a
music
happy
video,
girl.
it literally
Oh,
had
T.
almost